8827 Mobile. Hello, 8827 Mobile, Northern.
I tell you what, I'm not deceiving now. I don't know if he's beat or not. Man, he sounded real good.
See you this Saturday afternoon, 8827 Mobile around Northern Cal on this rainy day.
See, I don't think he keyed that time around. I don't think he keyed that time around. Yeah, you came right on up there. You came right on up there. I don't know if Alabama skip shooter keyed up or not, or if anybody. Somebody keyed up toward the end. I don't know. This is what I heard.
Key up, 131, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1/4, get down. Done, man.
Hello out there, 88 around South Carolina. Hello, Mr. 88 around South Carolina, man. I heard you walking to my radio there, too, man. Well, there's a whole bunch of big guns. Yeah, a lot of big guns coming into my receive, man. But I got you in my receive, Bert. You ought to know, man. Come on in, grab a cold one. You making it out to the West Coast. Come on. Time doing that, but I'll be happy to do it. I'm gonna die here. Hey, 4 1/4. You definitely making the talk show work. 131. Break it.
Hello, 131. Charlie Brown on the east side. I'm back out.
Oh, 8 foot off the ground. He said 8 foot off the ground. Yeah, it's over 43 dBs, maybe between 40 to 43 dBs on that 8 or whatever. You see, what is that? 12 element beam you said there? Man, boy, that's a whole lot of peak power, man. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be sitting next to that thing, man. Man, you might be sitting in a hospice, without any hair in about 15 years. You keep doing that. Come on.
Hey, 131, old Charlie Brown on these 2 pills of steel, working these 2 little PP80s with no conditions. I'm back out.
Man, to get that, man, you could probably. I got some ideas, but if you're running that kind of peak, man, what kind of tube you running? I do 10-4. All right. Yeah, that sounds just about right there, man. That's when we can do that in some. Right up over and just ease it on your little box there. All right, 4 1/4. I'll get wide to the side, man. Let's see it rolls on in. You put that thing up in the air, man, you're going to have some problems. Or actually, somebody else is going to have some problems. You ain't going to have no problems. 131, back quiet.